To remove and install the battery on your Polaris Expedition XP or ADV, follow these steps.
Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park and remove the key. Next, remove the two front seat mount bracket fasteners. Then, slide the seat assembly to the forwardmost position to aid in removal. Continue by tilting back and lifting the seat out to remove from the vehicle. Next, loosen the battery access panel fastener. Then, pivot the panel up and pull forward to remove. Next, remove the black negative battery cable fastener first to prevent arcing and set the cable aside. Use care to ensure tools do not come into contact with both battery posts. Then, remove the positive cable fastener and set the cable aside. Next, remove the battery bracket fastener. Then, pivot the battery out and unhook the battery bracket from its front retention point. Continue by removing the bracket from the vehicle. Then, lift the battery up to remove from the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris to prevent damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Before continuing, clean any dirt or debris from the battery tray. Next, install the battery with the terminals facing the front of the vehicle. Then, insert the front of the battery bracket into its retention point and pivot the battery toward the front of the vehicle to align the bracket with the mounting hole. Continue by reinstalling the bracket fastener and torquing to specification. Next, install the positive cable first to prevent arcing and torque to specification. Then, install the negative cable and torque to specification. Before proceeding, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Then, coat both terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Next, insert the battery panel's retention tabs into the rear of the battery box. Then, pivot the panel down and secure by tightening the fastener. Next, align the front seat's hooks with the seat base and pivot into place. Ensure the seat hooks are secured on the mounting bracket. Then, pivot the seat down and align the mounting holes. Continue by reinstalling the front seat mounting fasteners and torquing to specification. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.